Today, I asked two powerful AI tools to create images of Virat Kohli partying on a luxury yacht, Donald Trump taking a mirror selfie in a luxury restroom, and Elon Musk surrounded by crazy fans taking photos. But here's the twist. Both AIs got the exact same prompts. One image looked shockingly real and the other one looked completely AI generated. So the question is, which AI is actually better at creating realistic images? ChatGPT or Elon Musk's Grok? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love AI tools, tech experiments and powerful content creation tools, you are in the right place. Today we are comparing two powerful AI tools. One is ChatGPT and another one is Grok AI, and we will see which AI generates the most realistic and cinematic images. Now, here are the rules of this AI battle. We will test three prompts. Both AIs will receive the same exact prompts, and we will judge them based on realism, detail, cinematic quality, overall vibe. At the end, we will declare one final winner. So make sure to watch till the end because the last result is insane. Now, let's see the round 1. Here is the prompt. Virat Kohli sitting on a luxury yacht during a night party, facing camera, black satin shirt, white trousers, neon light reflection, cinematic luxury atmosphere. This is a pretty complex prompt. It requires realistic lighting, luxury environment, a recognizable personality, and cinematic composition. Now let's see what ChatGPT generated. Look at the details here. The neon lightning reflection look amazing. The black satin shirt texture is very realistic and the overall night party vibe feels cinematic. The yacht environment also look premium. But what about Grok? This Kohli image seems like more natural and it also looks like real Kohli enjoying the yacht. Now comparing both. ChatGPT focuses more on cinematic lighting and premium, while Grok may focus on style or composition and realism. Personally, this round is very close, but I want your opinion. So comment down who you think the winner of this prompt, Grok or ChatGPT. Now let's move to round 2. The prompt is Donald Trump taking a mirror selfie in a luxury high-end shopping mall restroom with bright white LED lights and glossy marble background. This prompt is interesting because it requires mirror reflection, realistic lighting, detailed interior design, etc. First, let's look at ChatGPT's result. This one is impressive. The marble background looks very detailed. The lighting feels like a high-end luxury restroom, and the mirror selfie composition looks very natural. Even the reflection and perspective are quite accurate. Now let's see Grok results. It looks simple but amazing. The lighting also perfect and it suits very well. The suit that Donald Trump wears also look real. Now this is where things get interesting. Sometimes AI struggled with mirrors and reflections. So this round really tests the AI's visual intelligence. So again, who wins this round? ChatGPT or Grok? Let me know in the comments. Now it's time for the final round. Here's the prompt. Ultra realistic candid photo of Elon Musk standing in a crowded place with fans holding cameras and taking photos. Celebrity vibe. This prompt requires crowd generation, realistic human expressions, natural lighting, celebrity environment, etc. So first let's see ChatGPT's image. This image is actually very impressive. You can see fans folding cameras, flashlights, natural expressions, crowd depth. It actually looks like a real paparazzi moment. Now let's check Grok's version. Now this one looks way better than ChatGPT because it looks ultimate real and black suit is perfectly suited to Elon Musk. This image is amazing and Grok is really loyal to Elon Musk. Some AI tools struggle when generating large groups of people because it requires multiple faces, realistic interactions, accurate proportion. So this round really shows how powerful the AI model is. So after testing 3 different prompts, what's the result? Here's my opinion. ChatGPT is extremely strong at cinematic lighting, realistic faces and scene composition. Grok is impressive too, especially because it's built by Elon Musk AI company. But in this test, for image realism and detail of the first two images, ChatGPT slightly takes the lead. But AI technology is evolving very fast, and Grok might become even stronger in the future. Now, I want to ask you something. If you had to choose one AI tool for content creation, which one would you pick? ChatGPT or Grok? Comment below. Also tell me if you want more AI battles like ChatGPT versus Gemini, ChatGPT versus Midjourney, and Grok versus Midjourney. It would have been crazy. And if you are content creator, YouTuber or digital marketer, AI image tools can save you hours of work. You can generate thumbnails, Instagram posts, add creative, story visuals, all within seconds. AI is literally changing the future of content creation. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel because I post the latest AI tools, tech experiments and content creation hacks. And trust me, the next AI comparison video is going to be even crazier. See you in the next video. Peace out.